Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hope you are having a great day today. I wanted to go ahead and jump right in today's upload because we are painting the house, you guys. Well, the guys are painting, not me. Yes, I know how to paint, but there was just so much that needed to be done. I did go ahead and hire out someone to come in and do some of the work. That way I wouldn't be so overwhelmed with everything. I know you guys are going to ask. So to answer your question, the color of the ceiling is alpaca and the color on the wall is frosty white. The frosty white has a very gray blue undertone, really beautiful, really soft. It is in satin and the ceiling is also in satin. And again, it is with Sherwin-Williams. The guys are wearing a Sherwin-Williams shirt, but they are not with Sherwin-Williams. Moving right along, I'm going to go ahead and jump into my closet. That way you guys can see that space. I wanted to show you guys my closet. It's going to focus. Oh my gosh. I have to open the window because I ended up using, I hate that. I ended up using semi-gloss in here. I wanted the light to really reflect in this room. You see the ceiling? So semi-gloss is on the ceiling and also the walls. I'm going to do a full-on paint video. I can't say it's going to be 100% right. It's going to be my personal thoughts on it. But I thought because, you know, I'm going to be in here recording and everything, I wanted the light to be able to reflect from like the ceiling and the walls and really not stop. If you're wondering, I did brush my teeth. I just woke up though, so I'm gonna sound a little raspy. But the room looks really good. I have to hit this piece again and change the light, but I feel like the things that are left are on a very small scale. Okay, so like, I'm gonna have to caulk this again, caulk here, because I hate seeing the lines. I want it to be like really, really nice and flush. And then I'm gonna have to paint. You see that? I'm gonna have to paint again. But like I said, this is on a very small scale. And then I'm gonna have to fix where the guys kind of hit the ceiling. Not a big deal at all, but I'm gonna fix that. But like I said, what's left is on a small scale. Let me just tell y'all now, I was really shocked because I honestly thought, well, let me not say thought, I didn't think they were going to take down my mirror, but they did, which is fine. And I hope, you know, they can put it back before they go, because this thing was a beast to go down. By me standing here, you can see the color and how reflective it is. Maybe not so much on this side, definitely on the other side. Look at that. Oh, it's really pretty. So I'm hoping to get a lot of light in here when I am in here doing like try on hauls and everything else that I normally do. The closet was a lot of work, you guys. And when I say a lot of work, like to try to paint it, I was like, oh my gosh. So I don't know if you guys can see, but I went in and I cut this right here. I did this, the bottom, up here, this, and here. And I got really tired. So today, he's going to do all the cutting, which I thought was feasible. Honestly, I done piecemeal this room together that I should have just paid what I was charged to do it, because it would have been done. But it's all good. Neither here or there at this point. So by Monday or Tuesday, maybe even Friday, I should be able to start putting my clothes in here. The reason why I'm giving it so much time is I really want this paint to dry, and I don't want to rush it and put my clothes in here. I also want the windows to be open to allow the room to air out. I don't want my clothes smelling like paint. So I'm going to give it a few days to dry. So once that happens, you guys will get to see the install. I'll do like a clean, get ready with me closet install type situation. But yeah, I'm really excited. But the guys did a really good job. I don't know if you guys can see, they covered the floor. I actually went out and bought the brown paper. I actually like the brown paper a lot better. The plastic paper being on the floor, what I noticed happens is you step on it, it tears. And I am so sensitive about my hardwood floors, you guys. I don't want it to get messed up. So I've really been trying not to get anything on it, but the guys did a good job of just like covering the whole entire span of the room with everything. Today they're gonna come and do Tristan and Aiden's closet in the laundry room closet. Did I show you guys that room? I don't really remember. I've just been recording and not editing or posting just because of everything that's going on. Hold on. This is the laundry room. This is the color. It's not black. It's a really deep, rich blue. I'll give the color when I do the video. And I'm going to probably, like I said, when I do the paint video, I'm probably going to do like 2 or maybe 3 videos back to back. Just so that way the information is there. And then you guys help me out. I'll put it in the description box. That way people can find it. So I won't get asked like 20,000 times the paint color. Because that's like probably the #1 question on my channel. It's like, what's the paint color? What's the square footage of your house? Why did you do what you did? So I'm gonna try to answer those questions, but as you can see, everything has been caulked. I just did a little bit of a paint to see what it would look like closer to the floor, but everything has been caulked. It's been puttied. I'm gonna paint that wall right there, and if you look in the closet, that is about to get done. And as you can see, everything has been caulked. The only thing that hasn't been done is covering up the small holes, but once it's done, that right there is also going to get about 4 or 5 days to fully dry, get together along with the boys' closets. And then once that's done, the vacuum of course is going to go here. All this stuff's going to line up. That's pretty much what the space is currently looking like, you guys. Like, I'm really excited. Things are starting to actually look like they're coming together. This room is probably going to be done by, I'm hoping Friday, y'all, because I got to do the reveal for one room challenge. OMG. But that's that. All right, you guys, here is the master bedroom, you guys. Oh my gosh. I am about to clean and mop and vacuum and all that and get things out of here and really declutter the space. I know it's not like here, but they pushed a lot of things in my bathroom, so that's a hot mess. Hold on a second, I'll show you guys real quick. So a lot of my things had to go into this area here, which I just cleaned like 2 weeks ago. That's why I said, like, it's a lot. I want to clean and get things together, but I really feel like I'm doing double work because I'm like cleaning, things get messed up. The really great thing is my floors still look really good. They look really good. So I'm really happy about that. But you guys, I'm going to have to hit the ceiling again. But like I said, this is on a really small scale. So let me show you. Like, I don't like this line. I don't like that line. Like, I can see it. I want it to really be flush. So I'm going to go ahead and putty it one last time, sand it down, and then do one more coat of paint. The guy that paint, he could do it. I just didn't want to bother him because I know, like, it's really me. That's the problem. You know what I'm saying? It's not them. But I don't want it to look like a half, not well thought out DIY. I really want it to look like, you know, like a designer grade feature in the ceiling. And the thing is, over time, it's going to look worse because as the house begins to like settle and then that begins to settle, what's going to happen is the spaces are going to tend to kind of open up even more. So I just want to just, like tweak it. Do you see that? Let me zoom in. You see that? Like, I want to go ahead and just putty it one last time. And see, I could have easily done one of these numbers with you guys and been like, oh, it looks so good. But no, I can see it and it's really bothering me. And I was laying in the bed yesterday, like looking up to the ceiling, and I was like, yeah, this is gonna bother me. So I'm gonna fix it. Not a big deal. And for those of you guys that are asking, yes. I am going to change the ceiling fan. The ceiling fan is the least, and I'd say least of my concerns because I already have the light. So that's not a big deal. I'm trying to do these big things first and get them out the way, and then I can, you know, do the ceiling fan later. But I'm gonna go ahead and put the camera down and start working on my room, y'all. Getting it cleaned up. Yeah. Anywho. Oh, let me sit on the floor, y'all. Hold on. You guys, oh my gosh. You know what I'm about to say, right? I think you know. It looks so good. I told y'all, I had gotten a few DMs like, no, leave it white. And I'm like, no, I'm not a loud person at all. I mean, I could be obnoxious, you know what I'm saying? But like, I'm not a loud person. Like, I don't have to be seen. And that's how I look at design for me. Like, it doesn't have to be this like, you know, whatever. And for me, when it comes to like my personal home and the things that I create, like, it doesn't have to be like super loud and in your face to make a statement. Like, I don't feel like that. So to me, this was like really soft, super elegant. It's there, but it's not there. So you can really miss it, which is what I really love, just in real life and in design. It's just like those little secrets, you know, those little gems. So the ceiling is my little gem. Clearly, you know, if you guys, you know, ever wanted to buy my house in the future, you would know that it's there, of course. But I can really see someone walking into the room and like, oh, the room is cute. And they're like, oh, look at the ceiling. And that's what I want. I want that like, oh my gosh, you know, because it's really, the guy that was coming to paint, he was like, oh my gosh, the house looks so different. I was like, thanks. He was like, but I know you do that. It's not the builder. I was like, you got it right, honey. You got it right, honey. It wasn't the builder, honey. It wasn't the builder. It was Nadia the builder, honey. But anyway, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and start cleaning up.